Today we're going to show you how to install our DEX 2.0 hardware onto our Axiom Back Shell. The only tool you're going to need today is a 10mm wrench, and I've already determined that based on the width of the backrest and the wheelchair that we're using, I'm going to be installing this hardware into the outer slots. So to start, I'm going to install that back hardware assembly. And do the same thing on the other side. And then from there, I'm going to take my backrest and line it up about 1 to 2 inches to determine where I'm going to put those clamps onto the back canes. And then I'm going to tighten these down. The same thing on the other side. From there, I'll take my Axiom leveling tool to make sure that my pins are nice and symmetrical, and then I'm going to rotate them in to hit that 1/2-inch spacer bar. From there, I'll take my backrest and lock that hardware into place. And then using the tick marks on the backrest assembly and the slots, I'll make sure it's nice and symmetrical. I've also preset the depth on this back shell using the scallops on the inside to make sure that it's already symmetrical there. And then from there, I'll make sure that it snaps into place. And that's how you install our DEX 2.0 hardware.